I told you? An airplane lost its roof while flying 24,000 feet in the air. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this actually happened. Let's go back to April 28, 1988. It was a regular day in Hawaii and Aloha Airlines Flight 243 was ready for takeoff. This flight was a short journey from Hilo to Honolulu. It had 89 passengers and 6 crew members on board. Everything was normal. The plane took off, climbed steadily, and reached its cruising altitude of 24,000 feet. But then, something unimaginable happened. Without warning, a large section of the airplane's roof ripped off. Yes, the roof was gone, exposing the passengers to the open sky. The cabin was depressurized instantly, and the oxygen masks dropped down. People started panicking. Imagine being on a plane where the roof is suddenly missing. That's what these passengers went through. How did this happen? The investigation revealed that it was due to metal fatigue and corrosion. The airplane had been flying for years, and its structure had weakened over time. The fuselage, which is the plane's outer body, had tiny cracks that weren't spotted during routine maintenance. Over time, these cracks expanded, causing the roof to tear off mid-flight. The heroes, pilots, and crew. Now, let's talk about the pilots and crew. Despite the terrifying situation, Captain Robert Schornstheimer and First Officer Mimi Tompkins stayed calm and managed to control the plane and began an emergency descent to a lower altitude so passengers could breathe without oxygen masks. Meanwhile, the flight attendants did their best to calm everyone down and help people stay in their seats. Unfortunately, one of the flight attendants, Clara Bell Lansing, was tragically sucked out of the plane because of decompression. This was a heartbreaking loss. The landing. Even though a huge part of the plane was gone, the pilots skillfully landed the airplane safely at Kahalohi Airport on Maui. What's truly miraculous is that, apart from Clara Bell Lansing, everyone else on board survived. People had minor injuries, but no other lives were lost. Impact of the incident. After this incident, aviation authorities realized how crucial regular maintenance and inspections are for planes, especially older ones. New rules and guidelines were introduced to prevent such incidents in the future. Airlines now use more advanced techniques to detect small cracks or damage that can't be seen easily. Concluding remarks. This story reminds us of two things: the incredible skill of pilots who can handle emergencies and the importance of safety in air travel. It's amazing that even in such a disastrous situation, most passengers survived. So, what do you think about this story? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indefinite Paradise for more fascinating stories like this.